and we are now getting information that the 4 accused in the Telangana rape case of a vet have been killed in an encounter. We are made to understand at this point that they were taken to the scene of crime to try and piece together what exactly happened that night, and it is there that they tried to escape, and that's when in an encounter all 4 of them have been shot down. For more on this, we've got T.S. Sudhir joining us on the phone line. T.S. Sudhir, what can you share with us?
Well, this happened sometime late in the night. The approximate time that is being mentioned by police sources is that it happened around 3 p.m. The 4 accused, that is Arif, Naveen, Chenna and Shiva, had been taken by the police to the scene of crime to reconstruct what had happened on that night of 27th and 28th of November. 28th and 28th of November, and that's when the police version is that 2 of those accused tried to escape. They also tried to attack the police team, and the police team had to fire in order to ensure that they did not escape, and ended up shooting all of them dead in this encounter. So that's the police version coming in, very dramatic incident taking place, and this happened at the place where they had set ablaze the body of the Hyderabad veterinary doctor Disha. This happened around in Shadnagar, which is about 23 kilometers from the toll plaza where they had first offered help to get her punctured tire of the two-wheeler repaired, and had also raped her. And so that's a place under the bridge where they had set her body ablaze, and that's where these 4 people have also been shot dead by the Hyderabad police.
And Mr. Sudhir, did I hear you right saying that this happened at 3 a.m. this morning?
Well, this happened in the late hours in the night. 3 a.m. is the time being given by the sources in the police, but the police has not officially confirmed as to what time did this encounter actually take place. But definitely, it's very late at night because they wanted to reconstruct the scene of crime, whatever had happened at the scene of crime, at approximately the same place where when they had done it on the night of 27th and 28th of November.
And do we have more details on how many cops were there exactly, and when was it decided, and is it natural? Is it okay that they take accused in these cases at 3 a.m. in the morning to the crime scene?
No, one of the things that the Hyderabad police wanted to do was to retrieve the cell phone which was missing since the night of the crime. And it was only because based on the version given by the accused that they were able to find the cell phone, because they had buried it at the scene of crime after the gang rape had taken place on the night of November 27th and 28th. That's number one. Number two, they had not got sufficient time to interrogate the 4 accused before they were sent to judicial custody. So they had secured a week's police custody from the court in Shadnagar the other day before yesterday. And since then, they wanted to take these people in order to understand what had really happened, both near the Tondapalli toll plaza in Shamshabad, where they had gang raped Disha, and subsequently taken her body about 23 kilometers away to Shadnagar, where they had set the body ablaze. So they wanted to reconstruct what had happened at approximately around the same time when the crime had allegedly taken place. So that was essentially the idea of Hyderabad police. In this particular case, the police version, as I said, is that they tried to escape. 2 of the 4 tried to escape, and the police had to fire in order to ensure that they did not escape. There's also another version coming unofficially that they may also have tried to attack the police party, and the police may have tried to fire in self-defense.